Hi everyone! Welcome back to your Originality.ai Weekly Newsletter update. Happy December, and if you're in Canada like we are, happy snowy season. Today, I've got some good updates about DeepScan and Originality.ai's accuracy. If you want a chance for some free Originality.ai credits, you're definitely going to want to keep watching. So, let's get into it. If you haven't had a chance to try DeepScan, the latest feature from Originality.ai, this is your sign to do so. DeepScan is your ethical AI writing tutor that helps you understand why your writing was flagged as AI, how to improve it, and how to apply ethical writing tips to make your content sound more human and natural without the use of humanizers or bypassing tools. With DeepScan, you can get detailed insights into how to improve your writing, see exactly why text was detected as AI, and apply ethical writing tips to make your writing sound more human and natural. So, if you want to stand out from the bland AI copy flooding the web, DeepScan gives you peace of mind knowing that your hard work will be recognized as original, authentic, and truly yours, and not generic AI content. You can access DeepScan right inside of the Originality.ai content scanner, so scan your text, review the recommendations, and then stay original with the Originality.ai DeepScan. We're also giving away 500 free credits to users who complete a quick DeepScan feedback survey. Your feedback helps us continuously improve, and as a bonus, if you submit a short video showing how you use DeepScan in your workflow, you'll receive additional credits on top of the 500. So, if you want to scan 50,000 words for AI for free, and you've already used DeepScan, be sure to provide your feedback with our survey linked below. Now, onto some great news about our Originality.ai accuracy. A new third-party academic study published on arXiv evaluated 14 AI detectors across more than 16,000 writing samples, including human-written, AI-generated, and AI-polished content. I am so happy to share that Originality.ai achieved a #1 ranking among all commercial detectors, with 96% overall accuracy and the lowest false positive rate in the study. One of the most important findings was that as AI-polished writing becomes more common, detection isn't just about human versus AI anymore. It shows an increase of the importance of being able to distinguish human-written, AI-polished, and fully AI-generated content. Originality.ai proved to be the most sensitive and precise detector when reacting to AI-like stylistic patterns, which is exactly what high-precision AI detection is supposed to do. So we're already developing new methods to make this distinction even more reliable across languages, including Arabic. You can find our meta-analysis of AI detection accuracy studies, including this new edition, with the link below. If you're interested in AI and authenticity, our Director of Marketing and Sales, Maddie, joined the Let's Talk Digital Marketing podcast. The episode is called AI and Authenticity, an interview with Originality.ai's Madeline Lambert, and it's a must-listen if you're working in digital marketing, education, or publishing. Be sure to check out this episode, linked below. To wrap things up, thank you to our support team. 4.5-star rating on Trustpilot, Originality.ai is here for you. Hit publish or submit with confidence today. Thank you so much for tuning in into this week's update. Be sure to try out DeepScan, take the feedback survey to get your 500 free credits, check out the full Meta third-party AI detection accuracy study, and listen to Maddie's podcast episode. I'll be back next week, but until then, stay original with Originality.ai.